The vanishing of the Sodder children. On Christmas Eve, a house fire claims the lives of 5 children. Or did it? The Sodder family's chilling mystery continues to haunt investigators. What happened to the missing children? On December 24, 1945, the Sodder family's home in Fayetteville, West Virginia, was engulfed in flames. The fire quickly spread, and despite the frantic efforts of the family, 5 of the 10 Sodder children, Maurice, Martha, Louis, Jenny, and Betty, went missing in the blaze. George and Jenny Sodder, the parents, were devastated and assumed their children had perished in the fire. However, as days turned into weeks, the Sodder family began to question the official narrative. The fire department ruled the cause as faulty wiring, but George and Jenny noticed several strange occurrences leading up to the fire. They recalled how a suspicious man had been seen watching their home prior to the incident, and they even received a warning from a neighbor that their home might be targeted. In the aftermath, George and Jenny started to believe that their children might still be alive. Some reported sightings of them in a nearby town, while others claimed they had seen the children being loaded into a vehicle by a mysterious man. These claims fueled the couple's hope and determination to uncover the truth. The Sodder family began their own investigation. They even placed a billboard along the highway, offering a reward for information about the missing children. Their relentless pursuit of answers caught the attention of the media, sparking public interest and speculation. In 1947, George and Jenny received a postcard that they believed was from one of their missing children. The postcard, postmarked from New Jersey, featured a message that raised questions about its authenticity. The couple interpreted it as a cry for help, leading them to believe that their child had survived and was trying to communicate with them. However, the authorities were unable to verify the sender's identity, leaving the couple with more questions than answers. As time went on, the Sodder family continued to advocate for the truth. They hired a renowned investigator who examined the site of the fire, uncovering evidence that suggested the children may not have died in the blaze. The mystery of the Sodder children captivated the nation, raising discussions about fire safety, child abduction, and the fragility of family ties. The vanishing of the Sodder children remains a haunting tale of loss, hope, and unanswered questions. The family's unwavering pursuit of the truth highlights the lengths people will go to for their loved ones. As we remember the Sodder children, we honor their legacy by advocating for awareness surrounding missing persons and the importance of community support in times of uncertainty. Their story serves as a reminder that the search for truth continues, even in the face of overwhelming odds.